Can you sense a frequency others can't hear? Does silence feel unusually loud to you? If your answer is yes, Dolores Cannon revealed that you are among the chosen ones who have already awakened. Before I explain what this means and why there's no turning back, I need you to do something right now. Close your eyes for 3 seconds. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, do I feel different from everyone around me? Do I feel like I don't belong to this old world anymore? If that recognition stirred something deep inside you, write in the comments, I hear it. This declaration activates your awakening frequency and links you to the collective consciousness of those who are already aligned with the new earth. Do it now, because what I'm about to share will only resonate with those ready to remember who they truly are. This isn't for everyone, it's for the awakened ones only. Listen carefully. What you're experiencing isn't random. It's not anxiety. It's not stress. It's not mental illness. It's your soul waking up. Let me tell you about a woman who spent 45 years uncovering humanity's greatest forgotten secret. Her name was Dolores Cannon, born on April 19, 1931, in St. Louis, Missouri. She passed on October 18, 2014, leaving behind a legacy that continues to awaken millions of souls worldwide. Dolores didn't start as a spiritual pioneer. She was a Navy wife in the 1950s, traveling the world with her husband and raising 4 children. She lived what seemed like a normal life, unaware of the extraordinary path ahead until one night in 1968. Everything changed when a doctor asked Dolores and her husband to assist with a hypnosis case, a routine regression session. Nothing seemed unusual. But when Dolores hypnotized the woman, something remarkable happened. The woman began speaking in a voice that wasn't hers, recounting lives she hadn't lived, describing places she had never been, and sharing knowledge beyond her reach. In that moment, Dolores discovered a doorway to the truth about who we really are, a truth the world had forgotten. For the next 45 years, Dolores conducted thousands of hypnosis sessions. She developed her own method, quantum healing hypnosis therapy, QHHT, which accessed the subconscious, the wisest part of ourselves, directly connected to Source, containing all knowledge. Through these sessions, Dolores uncovered something that changes everything you believe about yourself. You are not who you think you are. Here's what Dolores revealed. Right now, Earth is undergoing its greatest transformation ever, a shift so deep it will alter everything. She called it the shift, or the new Earth. But it's not just the planet that's changing. You are changing too, your DNA, your cells, your consciousness, your very essence. If you're watching this and feel a strange, familiar resonance with these words, Dolores would tell you, you are one of them. One of the awakened ones, one of the volunteers who came here for this exact moment in human history. According to Dolores's research across thousands of sessions, there are 3 waves of souls who volunteered to come to Earth at this crucial time. These aren't ordinary souls, they are advanced beings here to guide humanity through this transformation. The first wave arrived in the 1940s and 50s. Now in their 70s and 80s, they had the hardest time. They felt alien, struggled with depression, and longed to return home without knowing where home was. Yet they paved the way, suffering so others wouldn't have to. The second wave came in the 1960s and 70s. They became lightworkers, healers, teachers, artists, and truth seekers. Though their journey was easier than the first wave, they still felt the weight of being different in a world that didn't understand them. The third wave includes children and young adults born from the 1980s onward. They arrived naturally intuitive, inherently connected, and already awake. They don't have to remember, they never truly forgot. Dolores discovered that if you're watching this, your sensitivity, your feeling of not fitting in, was never a problem. It's your mission, your gift, your purpose. These are the signs of awakening. Sign 1. You hear the frequency. Awakened souls often notice a high-pitched ringing in their ears. It's not tinnitus or a medical condition. It's your soul tuning into higher dimensions, your cells vibrating at a higher frequency. The right ear often signals downloads from your higher self, activating dormant DNA, preparing you for what's coming. Sign 2. Time feels different. Days pass in hours, years fly by like months. Dolores explained that as we align with a new Earth frequency, linear time collapses. Your perception of time shifts because you're partially existing in the new Earth while still in the old. Sign 3. You lose interest in the old world. Celebrity gossip, fashion trends, status, and material possessions no longer matter. Dolores said this is a clear sign of awakening. Your soul remembers what truly matters, and ego-driven pursuits feel empty. Sign 4. You feel alone, even in a crowd. Awakened souls often feel isolated, like no one understands them. Dolores revealed this isn't punishment. It's proof that your frequency differs from the collective, like tuning into a unique radio station. Sign 5. Synchronicities appear everywhere. Repeating numbers, timely messages, and aligned events aren't coincidences. They are confirmations from your higher self guiding you, reminding you that you are on the right path. Sign 6. You're drawn to ancient wisdom. Egypt, Atlantis, Lemuria, sacred geometry, and mystical teachings suddenly capture your attention. Dolores said this is memory activation from past lives. You were part of those advanced civilizations, and your soul is remembering. Sign 7. You question everything. Nothing seems complete or truthful: news, religion, science, even reality itself. Dolores called this discernment awakening. You no longer accept information blindly. You reclaim your power to perceive truth. Dolores repeatedly asked her subjects why they came here. The answer was always the same. You came to anchor the light, to hold the frequency of the new earth, so others can find it. You are not here to save, convince, or prove anything. Your mission is simply to embody love, radiate light, and be. Your very presence influences the collective consciousness, raising humanity's vibration. Every choice you make, choosing love, peace, or truth, creates ripples across the planet. You don't need to be a teacher, healer, or influencer. Your presence alone is powerful. You are the new earth frequency incarnated. Dolores explained that the new earth isn't a physical location. It's a frequency, a state of consciousness. Earth is splitting into two realities. One stuck in fear, control, and scarcity. The other thriving in love, freedom, and unity. Which reality you experience depends entirely on your resonance, not worthiness. The shift is already happening, and you're already there. You just haven't fully realized it yet. There's no turning back. Once you awaken, you cannot unhear the frequency or unremember your true self. Trying to return to the old world feels suffocating because you've evolved past it. You can't unlearn consciousness any more than a butterfly can crawl back into its cocoon. Dolores taught a practice to stay grounded during this transition. Step 1. Connect to your higher self every morning. Before anything else, sit quietly, place your hand on your heart, take 3 deep breaths, and say, I am one with my higher self. I am one with Source. I am light. I am love. I remember who I am. This simple declaration marks your point of no return, your commitment to the new earth, and your soul's signature on the cosmic plan. For those ready to go deeper into Dolores Cannon's teachings, the next video will reveal her complete blueprint for navigating awakening and stepping fully into your power. Hit the notification bell to be ready. Remember Dolores Cannon's words: we are living in the most exciting time in history. We are the ones we've been waiting for. The shift is happening now. And you are one of the chosen souls who volunteered for this moment. Stop doubting yourself. You are pure light, infinite love, and limitless consciousness experiencing a temporary human life. It's time to remember. Welcome home, awakened soul. The frequency you hear is the new earth calling you, and you've already answered. There's no turning back, and that's the most liberating truth of all.